नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, स्वागत आहे आपल्या यूट्यूब चॅनल ज्याचं नाव आहे मोहित मोटिवेटेड एक्झाम चॅनल। आज आपण बघणार आहोत MS सेट म्हणजे महाराष्ट्र सेट परीक्षा 2011 रोजी झालेल्या पेपर 1 मधील प्रश्न। चला आता मग सुरुवात करूया व्हिडिओला। सूचना आहे, या परीक्षेत 60 बहुनिवड प्रश्न दिलेले असून प्रत्येक प्रश्नाला 2 गुण आहेत। दुसऱ्या सूचना आहे, कोणत्याही 50 प्रश्नांची उत्तरे लिहा। पहिला प्रश्न आहे, द least important teacher characteristics of effective teaching in primary education is options: effective communication skill, empathy of student, imperial attitude towards student, high academic achievement. The correct option is option number B, empathy for students. Question number 2, which of the following statement is true? Options: motivated learner learn better than unmotivated, girls learn better than boys, children later learn better than adult, creative person learn better than intelligent. The correct option is option number D, creative person learn better than intelligent. Question number 3, which of the following guarantees better retaining? Options: use of visual aids of teacher, active participation of the student, use the relevant example, meaningful learning experience. The correct option is option number 4, meaningful learning experience. Then question number 4, what is the current thinking on learning? Options: learner's mind is an empty visual and teacher fill in the knowledge. Every learner build concept based on his previous knowledge. Learner easily absorb information given by the teacher. Learning is a spontaneous response given by the stimulus of teaching. The correct option is option number D, learning is a spontaneous response given to the stimulus of teaching. Then question number 5, computer can help enhance creative thinking when? Options: students are asked to view effective PowerPoint presentations. Students are asked to collect at least information through internet. Students are asked to solve open and program using a computer. Students are asked to prepare a research report using computer. The correct option is option number C, students are asked to solve open-ended problem using a computer. तर ही होती महाराष्ट्र सेट परीक्षेसंदर्भी पेपर 1 मधील प्रश्न आणि त्यांची उत्तरं। व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, कमेंट्स पाहिजे असतील तर व्हिडिओ शेअर करा आणि चॅनलवर जर नवीन असाल तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका।